In this episode, we follow some trails that take us up into the snowline before making our way over to Rubicon Power Station. Good morning everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And when I say good morning, look at that morning. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's a cold winter's morning too. So in this episode, we are making our way just northeast of Melbourne to explore around the Rubicon area. We're going to try and make our way over to the power station and hopefully head up through the snowline.
Starting to get a little bit interesting now. Starting to come into a little bit more snow. So sorry about the sniffles. I just had to stop and change the batteries because I've realised GoPros do not like the cold weather. It's beautiful along here. Alright, right takes you to Lady Talbot Drive. Left, we are going to the hut. Let's see how we go today. Not sure if we'll make it, but we'll certainly give it a go. Oh, it's closed. It is closed. Oh. Okay. So as you know, I had to turn back. I couldn't make it to Keppel Hut. So I've turned back onto Blue Range Road. And this will take us towards Rubicon. And we'll see if we can make it. There are a lot of gates closed, which is to be expected. Because you get a lot of seasonal closures around here. So let's see if we can make it through. We're still on Blue Range Road, just making our way to Rubicon. Just coming across a bit of an icy patch at the moment. And it's slick as hell, so I guess I'm going through the puddle. I'm just letting the bike go wherever it wants to go. No point in finding it. See, if I do, I'll probably end up in a drink. Way along Quartz Creek Road. It's a little bit slick, but nothing too bad. So still on Tom Burns or Tom Buns Road, and just stop for a sec because we've got a really nice view up ahead. But I wanted to say that the track is a little bit tricky because there's a lot of rain washouts, and it's just a matter of trying to pick the right lane or right route to get through. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Starting to get a few little obstacles along the way, like this branch. Let's just see if I can ride over this bad boy. Yep, no problem whatsoever. Just making our way along Tom Burns Road still. So it says to turn right. And look at that. A gate. Ah, another one. So I've come from the left, which is Tom Burns Road, and then I've just gone down behind me. The track is closed, and now I'm going to try Tulsa Road, and I just had a quick look on the maps, and it looks like it links back up towards Tom Burns Road, but on the other end. So let's see how we go, eh? That's the end of Tulsa's Road. I can't make it over that. Let's see if we can move this tree. I doubt it, but let's have a go. So I went to move that tree, and no chance. It is really slick, and it's heavy. So I'm basically just going to turn around and head back towards another main track and keep exploring, I guess. That's the best part. I've got no plans, no agenda, so if something blocks my track, I'll just keep going.
Just stopping to have some lunch, so I've just pulled over on the side of this gravel road just outside of Rubicon. So I thought I'd set up my little camp lunch that you can see here.
not too bad. And got a nice scenery as well, so a whole lot of not much. So just trees, and in that direction is Rubicon, I think. Lunch was good, so I just had some noodles. I just sat back for an hour and just listening to the birds chirp and chime, and that was about it. So now we're on our way towards Rubicon Power Station. Here we go, got the power station up ahead, and look at that pipe going up the hill. That is so cool. Pretty steep too. Yeah, looks pretty cool. I like that. So obviously can't get in there with the bike, can't get in there at all. So it's closed. That is pretty cool. Check out this house. I love it. Keep some people camping. Nice little teepee. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. Wow. So there's a whole lot of campgrounds around here. I saw one called The Boys. Might have to bring the boys here. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So my next goal is I'm actually going to try and get up the top of that hill, at the top of where the power station stuff was. So I believe there's a turn off just up here, and then that'll take us up to the top. So went to get to the top of the hill, and the track is closed, and it's actually saying AGL Energy in Action. Well, that's kind of new. So yeah. So I think I might see if I can plot a route home, go on the dirt way, and go from there, I guess. As the shadows are getting long and the temperature's starting to drop, time for me to call it a day. So I've got quite a few hours to go until I get to home, and it's going to be peak hour traffic too on a Friday afternoon, which is fantastic. Great. So anyway, today has been quite a good day, quite an adventurous day. So I got to explore a lot of new tracks I'd never been on before. Unfortunately, a lot of them were closed, which I was not aware of. I knew there was seasonal closures for a lot of the tracks, but some of these other ones, which I researched on, clearly I didn't research too well. Yeah, so they were closed. It's beautiful countryside. On that note, I am going to leave it there, and I hope everyone's enjoyed the video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.